एंड राइट नाउ आई एम नियर तलावपाली एंड थाने में मोमोज़ की प्लेसेस काफ़ी बढ़ती जा रही है अच्छी एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू शो यू गाइज अनदर सच हिडन जेम विच सर्व्स अमेजिंग मोमोज एंड इस प्लेस का नाम है मैजिकल मोमोज एंड इट्स राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ तलावपाली. सो लेट्स गो. So right in front of Talaupalli and besides the St. John's School is a small momos place called Magical Momos. This place serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian momos, and first up we tried half a plate of their veg cheese kurkure momos which were priced at ₹70. The momos were first dipped into a cornstarch batter coated with breadcrumbs and then deep fried. These golden brown beauties were served with a red spicy chutney and a white mayonnaise sauce. The size of each of the momos was pretty good and identical as well. The momos had a beautiful crispy covering and there was generous amount of fillings inside. The inner layer of the momos was perfectly thin and not too thick and doughy, because of which it tasted really nice. Even the filling was very nicely seasoned and had the right amount of cheese. So we would rate these momos 10 on 10 based on their texture, taste and quantity. Next up we tried their steamed peri peri chicken momos and half a plate of them costed around 55 rupees. Over the top of the steamed chicken momos they sprinkled the peri peri masala and that was it. The momos looked quite simple, but the peri peri masala added a lot of beautiful flavor to the momos. The steamed momos were perfectly cooked, the chicken filling was very tender, and as you can see, the coating was very thin and soft. We would rate them to a 10 on 10 because of their beautiful silky covering and perfectly cooked tender chicken. And you can try this peri peri flavor in the fried version as well. Next up are these butter pan fried chicken momos. So basically your selected steamed momos are pan fried in a lot of butter until they have beautiful golden brown marks at their bottom. So here are the butter pan fried chicken momos, and these will be one of the softest momos that you will ever taste. These momos had a shiny and glossy covering, and in texture they were very silky. And the brown spots at the bottom looked really beautiful. I wish they would have added some chopped garlic in the butter, which would have gave them a beautiful garlic flavor. But nonetheless, these were very delicious and we would give them 9 out of 10. Next up, we ordered half a plate of veg tandoori momos, which were priced at 50 rupees. The momos were first marinated in a tandoori batter and then deep fried. I think he went a little too far in deep frying these momos, because of which they had a really dark color. Taste wise, they were quite okay. We expected the tandoori flavor, which was quite less. I think it had lost some tandoori flavor due to the fact that they were over fried, but the filling was quite good. Overall, we would rate these momos 6 out of 10 based on their texture, filling and the taste. Next up, we tried their Moburg, which is basically a momos burger. This concept is actually pretty similar to Wow Momos. We had ordered a tasty paneer Moburg, so instead of the patty, they placed 2 pieces of deep fried paneer momos, and then they added all the usual ingredients that are used in building up a burger, like the mayonnaise, the sauces, and the slices of tomatoes and onions. The burger tasted fine, but the sauces had made the deep fried momos really soggy and you couldn't really get the crunchy texture of the fried momos. So we have given this Moburg a 6 out of 10. So here is their menu card, which contains the list of all the kinds of momos that they serve with the prices. But no doubt this is a must visit place in Thane if you want to try some delicious momos. You should definitely try their kurkure momos, pan fried momos and the steamed peri peri ones. So let me know in the comments below which one of these momo clips made you crave for momos really bad. Like, don't you wish to grab a plate of momos right from the screen? So that was it about today's video. If you loved it, then do give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.